High in the misty mountains, where the air is crisp and the slopes are steep, brave animals thrive in incredible ways. From nimble mountain goats leaping across cliffs to fluffy snow leopards silently prowling the rocks, this book introduces young explorers to the fearless creatures who call the alpine world home. Every page reveals how these animals survive, and even play, in their rugged, high-altitude homes.
Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are highly territorial and can be very aggressive. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms, making them incredibly strong. They are often used in farming for plowing and pulling heavy loads. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. Females are smaller, typically weighing between 330 to 650 pounds, 150 to 295 kilograms. Reindeer are found in the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in tundra, boreal forests, and mountainous habitats. Reindeer are known for their long migrations, some traveling over 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers annually, the longest migration of any land mammal. They move between summer and winter grazing grounds to find food and avoid harsh weather. Reindeer have thick, double-layered coats that provide insulation against freezing temperatures. Their hollow hair traps air, making them highly buoyant and excellent swimmers. Tigers are the largest of all big cat species, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, and measuring up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, including the tail. Tigers are classified as endangered, with fewer than 4,000 individuals left in the wild. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. Hyenas are highly vocal animals. Their famous laugh is actually a form of communication used to signal excitement, stress, or submission. Hyenas are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and even mountains. Roosters are famous for their loud crowing, which serves as a territorial call to announce their presence and ward off rivals. They can crow at any time of day, not just at dawn. Roosters play a key role in establishing the pecking order within a flock, often acting as protectors and leaders. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history, from transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport. Horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. Snakes are legless reptiles, but they evolved from ancestors that had limbs. Some species, like pythons and boas, still retain small vestigial limbs called spurs. Snakes have highly flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their heads, accordion-like movement, and rectilinear, straight-line crawling. Flamingos inhabit parts of Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the Caribbean. They thrive in warm, watery environments like lagoons, estuaries, and salt flats. Flamingos create cone-shaped nests out of mud, stones, and feathers. These nests can be up to 12 inches tall and help keep their eggs safe from flooding and predators. Geese are known for flying in a distinctive V formation during migration. This formation reduces wind resistance and conserves energy, allowing them to fly longer distances. Geese are highly social animals and form strong family bonds. Sheep are highly social animals and prefer to stay in flocks. They feel stressed and vulnerable when separated from the group. Sheep have excellent memories and can recognize up to 50 individual sheep and humans for years. They can also remember complex paths and locations. Around 10,000 years ago, goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision, 320 to 340 degrees, to spot. Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas, mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions, and Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Zebras are social animals that live in groups. Plains zebras and mountain zebras typically form small family groups called harems, consisting of one stallion, Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, with up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This makes them excellent at tracking scents. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are slightly smaller. Elephants have a long lifespan, typically living 60 to 70 years in the wild. Some elephants have been known to live even longer in captivity. Elephants have a long lifespan, typically living 60 to 70 years in the wild. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. They can recognize up to 100 individuals and prefer to stay in groups, often spend a significant portion of their day grazing, typically 6 to 11 hours. They prefer to graze in the early morning and late afternoon.
How do tiny pikas stay warm in winter? Why do ibex horns grow so big? Kids will uncover the coolest adaptations that help mountain animals conquer icy winds, steep terrain, and thin air. Through fun facts and vibrant illustrations, children will learn how marmots whistle warnings, how bears forage on hillsides,